Yes, I'm back with number 9 of my ultimate wig haul, and she is this diva, UPITA. Be right back. Yes, I'm back with number 9 of my ultimate wig haul, and she is UPITA. UPITA is a sister wig, and she is from their Diva collection. She comes with a pre-tweezed lace, right-sided, deep part. She also can take temperatures up to 400 degrees, and UPITA has a max volume sweep bang. Look at that bang. And I am wearing the and I am wearing the color copper red, or some RT copper red. How gorgeous is she? And UPITA, I'm getting ready to say this right now, is a full cap wig. So no lace, ladies, no lace. And you know how I feel about that. Can I hear it? Yes, 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 yes. No lace. So let's do a 360 on this gorgeous diva here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that taper cut. I'm telling you, that layers. She is about 18 inches. Look how beautiful she is. Isn't that a gorgeous color? Look at that color. What a gorgeous color. And look at that bang. And you can't toss it out of your eye, and that's because they put this spin in it. They press this spin in it. Yes, now I do that to my units. You know, I press, like, if you watch my video on Trudy, she has a max volume bangs, and I told you how I press that over, so when she falls, I can easily toss her over, and she stays. She'll stay in place then. I mean, so they thought of everything. And look at this pre-tweezed part. All I did was put my powder in it. That's it. Look at there. Let's look at this girl's hairline. Yes. Not bad. Could be better. I've seen better, but you know, she is not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, I am loving this color, and I am loving her. She comes with just a little bit of baby hair. This little, whatever this is. But it's just nice to help guide the other hair over like that. It looks so realistic. I mean, I am just loving her. Now, isn't this a good one for New Year's? I mean, you want some New Year's Eve hair? This diva, she will have you party ready in 5 minutes. Let me show you how long it took me. Let me show you her cap. I did a little clip with her cap construction and me installing her, and show you just how long it took. She is a full cap wig with a right-sided lace part. Let's flip her. She comes with a nicely aerated cap. She has the typical cap construction. She has 2 combs on top, comb in the back, as well as elastic straps. Okay, how pretty is she? Now the color, this color is some RT red copper. So let me pop this girl on. Now she does have ear tabs. I'm getting her all adjusted. I'm gonna pull her back just a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do her like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move her over a little more. Now she has her bang. They're calling her bang a max volume bang for her sweep. As you can see, she has a very nice sweep. So where's my brush? Let's get my brush out. Now, okay, now this is the kind of unit that I like. Now you've seen, I just popped this girl on and she is ready to go. That's her cute little baby here she comes with. Let's get up there. There's her line of demarcation. Let me put some powder in her. Because this girl is nice. I say she is about 16, 18 inches long in the back. This is little UPITA. Oh my goodness. So we're just getting her part together here. Now this is a pre-tweezed part, so I am just applying my powder. I am not going to lay this baby hair down or anything. I'm going to secure her combs a little. Yeah. Put them combs in place. Comb in the back. Voila. UPITA. Yes. I am loving this sexy hair. Now also, if you wanted to, you could probably angle her out of your face too. Because the way they have that bend in, if you didn't want her in your face, you can just have her like that. Now that's cute too. Now, how quick was that? This girl is quick. I mean, I am loving UPITA. Yes, UPITA. And where did I get this gorgeous girl from? I got her from hairtobeauty.com during Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend there, those 3-4 days in there. Oh my goodness. And I paid $24.64 for this girl. Yes. And right now, you will pay anywhere from $26.99 for her to $28.99 for a color like this, depending on what color you get. But still, this is a great wig. Under $30. She is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, get UPITA. I know you won't get her in time for your New Year's Eve party, but get her. Because, you know, especially in this color. Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness. Look at this going out for Valentine's Day. Ladies, look at her. Yes. And this red copper, how gorgeous would that be? So anyway, I will be putting all the information for this diva down in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe if you're not a subscriber of mine. And click that bell to get your notifications for number 8 of my ultimate hauls, because the lace fronts are coming now, ladies. The lace fronts are coming. My last 8 units in my ultimate haul are all lace front units. Yes. And I have a few Swiss lace in there. A few of them. Yes. So please subscribe, like, click the bell for that notification, and come back for another great wig under $30. I'm Miss Mary, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, and Happy New Year's.